Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm going to do another box opening. I actually have one more after this, so stay tuned. This is going to be one of the watchgang Platinum watches I received this month. As you guys know, the watchgang Platinum subscription is the $299 subscription from watchgang. Alright, let's see if it's the same poster as in the last one. I actually like their poster slash newsletters. I think they're pretty cool. Oh, interesting. That also shows some of the Rolex winners and Seiko winners and tag winners. Nice. I'll say this box and the next Platinum box I have to open up feel pretty heavy. So I do kind of think I might have gotten the same brand, same watch. We'll see. Man, this one is super packaged up. All right, so we have Jerome Lamar's. Pretty nice box. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh, I actually like that quite a bit. Wow. I like the green on the bezel there. I know nothing about this watch. Although, of course, we have a MSRP of $1,295, so I'm going to say that's probably one of those blown up inflated MSRPs. Try and get a look at the movement there. Swiss made. 26 jewels, sapphire crystal. So I know nothing about this watch. I actually really like the look of this one already though, so it'll be interesting once I do my usual research and follow up on this one. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for one more box opening. As always, guys, thanks for watching.